Welcome to Impact Learning Tutorials, and this is a video about the long-term effects of exercise. So in this video, we're going to understand what the long-term effects of exercise are on both the cardiovascular and respiratory system. So for the cardiovascular system, one of the long-term effects of exercise is hypertrophy of the heart, which basically means that the heart muscle becomes bigger and stronger. Just like any other muscle in the body, the heart can also increase in size with certain types of training. Another long-term effect of exercise is an improved stroke volume, therefore allowing the heart to pump more blood per beat, making it more efficient. This goes hand in hand with a reduction in resting heart rate because the heart has increased its efficiency in the way that it can pump blood around. Another long-term effect is a faster recovery rate. So for example, the time taken for your heart rate to return back to resting is much quicker with long-term training. Another long-term effect of exercise is an improved cardiac output, and this is purely due to the heart becoming more efficient as it begins to adapt to the type of training that you are doing. Some long-term effects on the respiratory system would be an increase in aerobic capacity, and this is because of the improved strength of the respiratory muscles themselves. So as the lungs become stronger, they're able to inhale and exhale oxygen at a much greater volume, meaning that aerobic capacity increases, and especially for an event such as the Tour de France where there's a lot of strain put on the respiratory system, having that better aerobic capacity and the ability to take in more oxygen is really important in maintaining that endurance. There's also a long-term effect where a tidal volume will increase, which is the amount of breath breathed in and out in one go. And similar to cardiovascular system, resting breathing rate also reduces as the lungs become more efficient as they are allowed to adapt to the type of training that's been put upon them over time. We hope you found this video useful. Please subscribe to keep up to date with our latest tutorials.